In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send emails directly from Monday.com. If you manage clients, leads, projects, or internal communication inside Monday boards, this feature can save you a huge amount of time because you won't need to switch between your inbox and your workspace. Everything stays connected to the right item, the right contact, and the right project. I'll walk you step by step through opening the right board, connecting your email account, composing your message, and sending it out. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to manage emails without ever leaving Monday.com. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's get started. First, log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the board where you want to send emails from. This could be a CRM board, a sales pipeline, a project tracker, or any board that contains contacts or clients. Click on the board to open it fully so you can see all of your items. Next, click on any individual item inside that board. This will open the Item View panel, where you can see updates, files, and additional features connected to that specific entry. Inside the Item View, look for the Emails and Activities section. In many boards, this appears as a tab or widget. Click Open to access it. If you don't see Emails and Activities, don't worry. Click on the plus sign that says Add View, then choose Apps. In the search bar, type Emails and Activities, and then click Add to Item. Once added, open it, and you'll now have email functionality directly inside that item. Before you can send emails, you'll need to connect your email account if it's not already linked. Inside the Emails and Activities section, click Connect Account. You'll be prompted to choose your email provider, such as Gmail or Outlook. Select your provider and follow the authentication steps. Monday.com will ask for permission to access and send emails on your behalf. Review the permissions, then approve the connection. After a few seconds, you should see confirmation that your email account is successfully connected. Now you're ready to compose your email. Inside Emails and Activities, click Email. A Compose window will appear. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. If you have an email column in your board linked to that contact, you can often select it directly, which helps reduce mistakes and keeps everything organized. Next, add your subject line. Make it clear and relevant to the item you're working on. Then move to the message body and write your email content, just like you would in a regular inbox. You can format text, add links, and structure your message professionally. If you need to include attachments, click the attachment icon and upload files directly from your computer or from the item's existing files. Once everything looks good, double-check the recipient, subject, and message. When you're ready, click Send. Your email will be delivered through your connected account, and the full conversation will stay logged inside that item. This makes it incredibly easy to track communication history without searching through your inbox later. And that's it. That's how you send emails directly from Monday.com. Keeping communication tied to your boards helps your team stay aligned, organized, and efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials and other software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.